What unites our customers at Tails.com is that they care for their dog like a beloved family member. Our vision is to change the world of pet food for good and to change the lives of as many dogs and their owners as we can. We're a D2C business. It's really important that we can connect directly with customers in a way that is super relevant for them. As we expand, and now we're in 9 markets, it can be quite challenging.
My team and I have come to really rely on Google search ads as a core pillar of how we reach new customers. And when you move into a different market, for example in our case into Germany, it's really difficult to know in advance what will be the search terms that customers use in that market. We were using a manual approach, and of course that gives you a feeling of control. What it doesn't do though is give you the ability to stay current with the nuances as they change in the landscape. We were sceptical in the beginning about whether automation would be the right approach. The risk for us was that it was going to become too expensive if we started using terms that weren't relevant, or if we were paying too much for those terms. Test, learn and scale rapidly is at the heart of how we operate. With Google's drafts and experiments functionality, using a subset of campaigns, we were able to see the uplift against control, and it gave us confidence to proceed as we learned how to optimize.
Using broad match, smart bidding and responsive search ads, we were able to increase our sign-ups within our generic campaigns by 182%, as well as clicks by 258%. And we achieved all of that by maintaining a really efficient cost per acquisition. Search automation has really allowed us to grow the account quickly but really efficiently, which has then led to us fully rolling out the strategy across all of our generic campaigns.
At Tails.com, people tell us every day that our food has helped their dog live a healthier and happier life. We want to bring that health and happiness to dogs all around the world, and Google Ads is helping us do that.